see.
Gatlinburg, Tennessee is the location of the longest pedestrian cable bridge in North America. Gatlinburg is located in the Smoky Mountains on the Tennessee side. Now, the small town of Gatlinburg has plenty of attractions to keep you occupied during any visit, but in this video, I'm just going to go over my visit to the SkyBridge. Now, traveling to Gatlinburg in a vehicle is very nice. It's a very scenic route. There's lots of hills, lots of countryside to see. And one thing you have to keep in mind is you can't go very fast on these roads. They're very curvy, so it could be dangerous. So you just have to drive with caution. And if you find yourself going off the main road to a side road, be even more careful because these roads are even smaller. So just be cautious on the roads. Now, the architectural style in Gatlinburg is, of course, a mountain style architecture, which looks very nice, very appropriate for this area, of course. And you can expect to see a lot of tourist type stores here, lots of shopping areas, lots of places to buy souvenirs, lots of places to go eat. So there's plenty of things to do here, or just to walk around and do some shopping. Now, we were visiting the week of Christmas, and this time of day was about 10 a.m., 10 or 11 a.m. So there wasn't that many people out, but as the day progressed, this area got really crowded. I was very surprised at how many people were out here, and they also do a Christmas parade here as well. For breakfast, we decided to stop at this place called Tennessee Jed's. I believe it had like 4 stars on Yelp, and it's a very small cafe, but it had a really good breakfast sandwich and some coffee. And this is the location of the Skylift Park. It is directly across from Ripley's museum, and you will take the Skylift to get to the park over here, where you can walk on the longest pedestrian cable bridge in North America.
2, 3. All right. Pull that bar down slowly. Woohoo! Oh man, this is gonna be cold. All right, it is a little chilly out here. It's about 30 something. At least it's not snowing. Look at that view behind us. Uh-oh, we stopped. Oh,
This is not good.
no.
No bueno.
Come on, guys.
Stand up, go to your right.
And once you arrive at the Sky Center, there is a tourist shop slash cafe bar area where you can just get some tourist gifts, have a drink, have a meal, or just sit and relax. All
Alright guys, that's Gatlinburg down there. I think the Smoky Mountains. Alright, so there's a Sky Trail and the Sky Bridge. Smoky Mountains. Have a seat in a rocking chair. Tulip Tower. Oh man, look at that. Alright, so here's the engineering marvel. Alright, so this is the Tulip Tower Bridge. Woo! Oh man, look at that. The Tulip Tower Bridge. This is the smaller bridge. You see the bigger one way back there. Oh my goodness. Woo! It's a little bouncy. Alright, just hanging from here from just some ropes and cables. Nothing to be worried about. We did it. Just stopping to enjoy the view of the Smoky Mountains, the Sky Bridge. It's a nice day, sunny, it's a little chilly, but the sun makes it a lot better. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Okay guys, so this is it, crossing over the Sky Bridge in Gatlinburg, the longest pedestrian cable bridge in North America.
And in real time, this takes about 4.5 minutes to walk across.
It's shaking. You go ahead, man.
Faster you get across, the better.
All right, here's the glass floor. Oh my goodness. Let's see.
Watch your step, man.
Watch the step. You got it, you got it. Oh, oh my goodness.
I don't even want to look. Oh my God,
Woo.
hindi ako makakalakad eh.
It is a little windy, a little chilly. Let's have a seat.
Now these stairs take you to a different entrance to the cafe slash tourist shop slash bar.
stopped. Woo-hoo.
We're just taking a pause.
And we are moving again. Yikes. Okay, right there somewhere is what is it called? It's gondola, right? Chondola or something, where it's completely enclosed, so they're moving down over a whole city. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There we have an observatory up there. Almost there. Got a little room down there.
So much easier with no TV.
All right.
Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up my trip to Gatlinburg, but what do you think? What do you think about this bridge? Would you walk across it? Do you think it's not such a big deal? What do you think of this town? I think it's great, but I want to see what your reviews are. So comment below, and if you haven't, subscribe and like this channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks.